Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up the Pix-Link WR09 Wi-Fi Repeater. Whether you're looking to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage at home or in the office, this straightforward tutorial will enable you to boost your Wi-Fi signal quickly and easily. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Pix-Link WR09 Repeater, a quick start guide, and a power adapter. The repeater itself features indicator lights, a reset button, and two external antennas to help improve your Wi-Fi coverage. Let's move on to the setup process. First, find a suitable location for your repeater. It should be placed halfway between your router and the area with weak signal strength. Once you've chosen a location, simply plug the repeater into a power outlet. You'll see the power indicator light up, which means the device is ready for setup. Next, on your smartphone or computer, open your Wi-Fi settings and search for available networks. You'll see a new network called Pix-Link XXXX. Select it, and you'll be connected to the repeater's default network for configuration. Once connected, open a web browser and type in the default IP address, which is usually 192.168.10.1. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to the Pix-Link setup page. The default username and password are both admin. Enter these details and log in. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the setup menu. From the available options, choose Repeater Mode. The Pix-Link WR09 will initiate a scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Once the scanning process is finished, locate your home or office network from the displayed list and select it. Now, enter the password for your Wi-Fi network in the provided field. Double-check that the password is correct, and then click Apply to save the settings. The Pix-Link WR09 will take a few minutes to connect and extend your Wi-Fi network. After completing the setup, your Pix-Link WR09 repeater should be fully operational. To verify its effectiveness, move to areas that previously experienced weak Wi-Fi coverage. You should notice a significantly stronger and more stable connection, enhancing your browsing.